It's October 16th, 2017. It's about 4:30, quarter 5 in the afternoon. Just going through and button up this part of my yard for bees. Doing winter prep. Put a entrance reducer on this hive. That's why you see them all collected on the entrance, and also insulation box on the top. I taped off the entrance on this one to restrict it down a little bit. Done that with all the hives today, is close the entrances off. Put an entrance reducer on this one and taped it off. I just served them a lot of bees came out, now they're all trying to go back. On this hive I just taped off the entrance. This one's not doing too good, it feels a little light to me. I left the feeder on, I'm going to try and feed it a little bit before. 70 degrees today, so. This hive was struggling to build. Did an inspection of it today, it looks good, happy. That second box had nothing in it, now it's, they've built out comb and filled it. This box had drawn foundation, they had made a queen late, and unfortunately they really didn't do much. So in order to try and rescue this box, I just put in drawn comb. And I'm gonna feed it, that's why it still has a feeder. And I'm gonna see if I could build the population. And if not, I might consider bringing it down to a nuke. We'll see where that one goes. This box I just put on the, literally, entrance reducer, that's why they're all piled up. But this box is good to go. I have brood minders in these two boxes. There's a sensor in the middle of this one and two sensors in this one along with the scale. And the brood minder cell is sitting right there. And you can go to beekeeping.io to check out what the temperature sensors are. So that nuke back there has a migratory cover on it, and this one does not. When it cools off and they get on the cluster, I'm going to put a migratory cover on this, and then I'm going to put the two of them together back here on this bench, nestle them side by side, and wrap them in foam insulation. You could see some foam insulation on the bottom there in preparation for that. So, just one last thing. Blue painter's tape, it is your friend. If you don't have this in your kit, you should get some. And I've cleaned up my yard, and any excess equipment and so on is ready to go back into the garage and get stacked away. And I have to take care of any of my brood comb to make sure the wax moths don't get it. So there you go, there's the inspection of yard number 1 winterization. I know that I'm going to go in the house. I'm going to make up some sugar solution. It's supposed to be warm enough next week probably to get some of that on, so 2 to 1. And I'm going to have to tape that entrance closed so that hive doesn't get robbed out. But other than that, I'm in pretty good shape. Hope you enjoyed the preview.